controller drift can be frustrating, but it can often be resolved with some simple steps. Follow this guide to help fix your controller drift in Overwatch 2. Step 1. Check for physical obstructions. Inspect your controller for any dirt or debris around the analog sticks. Clean the area gently with a soft cloth or compressed air to remove any obstructions that may be causing the drift. Step 2. Calibrate your controller. Access the settings on your console or PC and navigate to the controller calibration section. Follow the prompts to recalibrate your controller, ensuring that the analog sticks are properly aligned. Step 3. Update controller firmware. Make sure your controller's firmware is up to date. Connect your controller to your console or PC and check for any available updates in the settings menu. Install any updates to improve performance. Step 4. Adjust dead zone settings. In Overwatch 2, go to the controller settings and adjust the dead zone settings for the analog sticks. Increasing the dead zone can help mitigate minor drift issues by requiring more movement before the game registers input. Step 5. Test and monitor. After making adjustments, test your controller in-game to see if the drift persists. Keep an eye on the performance and repeat the calibration or dead zone adjustments if necessary. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate controller drift in Overwatch 2. If issues continue, consider seeking professional repairs or replacement options.